Welcome back to another episode of Dosto Se Charcha. So today is our Independence Day. ऐसा कहते हैं कि the greatest sacrifice is when you sacrifice your own happiness for the sake of others. So अभी के माहौल को मद्देनजर रखते हुए कुछ दो लाइनों में अपने नेक्स्ट दोस्त का स्वागत करूंगा। मुझे तन चाहिए ना धन चाहिए, बस अमन से भरा ये वतन चाहिए। गौर फरमाइए, मुझे तन चाहिए ना धन चाहिए, बस अमन से भरा ये वतन चाहिए। जब तक जिंदा हूँ सह मातृभूमि के लिए, जब तक जिंदा हूँ सह मातृभूमि के लिए, जब मरूं तब कफन तिरंगा चाहिए। प्लीज वेलकम our very own friend on the front line, Hemant Joshi.
I remember in 9th class when they asked for how many people want to stand for those elections.
Yeah.
I believe more than half the class was standing there. Everyone wanted to fill that form. You know, everyone wanted to become the leader. You know, कि हम leader बन जाएंगे, कुछ अच्छा होगा हमारा.
Yeah.
ठीक है. तो मैं भी खड़ा था उस समय, but मेरे को फिर मेरे credentials देख के बोला यार जोशी, you just sit down यार. You know.
टीचर्स डे पे बच्चों को सिखाना और मास्टर्स रूम में आके चौक फेंकना।
Talk free.
1996 बैच के तो बहुत लोगों को पता है, and you know we are very proud of what you've achieved, and you've done things which I believe are like, you know, the whole school can be proud of your achievements. So in short,
I'll tell you what happened after 10th standard. After 10th standard, I joined RYK college.
Okay.
With the dream, you know, to join the NDA after doing my 12th science, you know. The dream was to join the Indian Air Force actually. So I shifted to Britco College in Nasik Road. From there I did BSc Physics. And you won't believe the result of the competitive exam, the written result and the result of the BSc Physics came on the same day.
Okay.
So in the morning I came to know that I've cleared that competitive exam. So I was pretty happy that, you know, I've cleared that exam now. But then I got a, you know, little feeling that what will happen in the afternoon.
Right.
So Darshan Vaidya was there with me. We were doing BSc together. So
who was there with you?
Darshan Vaidya.
Darshan, acha, okay.
Yeah. So then that is how it was, and after that I just joined the training academy, and then, you know, then the journey has been very fascinating. It's been, you know, it's been good.
Right. So,
Yeah.
So I think now back to the school, and you know, Mandar's special mention of your chief guest appearance.
It was a great honor actually. It was a great honor that, you know, Shailendra sir, he met me somewhere in Nasik. So he told me, "Are you free?" I said, "Sir, I am free."
Mm-hmm.
So he said, "You come over to school on 15th August." So it was a great honor, you know, going back to school. Because if you remember, you know, in school we used to see helicopters, they were flying on. You know, we used to see all those helicopters.
Yep.
It was a childhood dream actually, you know, and somehow I've been lucky actually. It's just the blessings of God, parents, you know, and good wishes of the friends and all. So things just kept falling in their places, and, you know, this is how it came through. So it was really good actually. Very, very strong memories. Actually, I'll share one thing with you. In Funfair, Gautam was told to organize one stall. They made a kind of a, you know, used to make those guys play cards and all.
Right.
Some lucky 7 or some, you know, some card. If you put that coupon on the card, and if that card comes in, you'll get double the coupon. So Gautam was the guy who was conducting it. So self and Gautam, we decided that we are going to crack the system. So I went there. So Gautam used to give me, you know, ishara karta tha mere ko ki ye patta aane wala hai. You know, and I used to put my money on that card. So that is how we earned a lot of coupons in that fun fair.
यार ये तो तुम लोग तो मतलब एकदम पैदाइशी फिक्सर्स हो यार.
So that is how it happened. School picnic, I remember when we had gone to SL World actually.
Okay.
Yeah. We'd gone to SL World, and it was a long day. You know, we came back at around 12:30, 1 o'clock. And the worst part was that, you know, I was one of those guys who came last. when the Fallen was there to come back to Nasik. So I don't know, I was lost in my own world, or I was doing whatever. When I came in, I think I was the last guy who was there. Everyone was standing in that Fallen. And then I remember Katale sir telling me, because of you, we are going to get late to reach Nasik, and there was a lot of ruckus when we came back.
Right.
So, yes.
Acha. So you remember the SL World trip for all the wrong reasons.
For all the wrong reasons, yeah.
Who was your favorite class teacher in 10th, 9th?
The teacher was Rodriguez teacher. She was a class teacher in 10th class, yeah.
In 10th, okay.
Otherwise, most of the teachers, Shailendra sir was one of my favorite. Because he used to, motivate us. He used to, sing songs and do other things, extra activities other than studies. Then Gonzalez sir was there. We used to go early morning to play volleyball. And he used to come that time with his girlfriend, now his wife. So they used to come there, they used to play volleyball, and he used to teach us how to.
मुझे तो याद है, मुझे मोटिवेशन सिर्फ विशाल सर से मिलता था.
Vishal sir is a different league on Shero Shairi. How many of us, how many of our kids are going to even experience that kind of a teacher? Seriously.
Yeah, that's there. And even for that matter, the very much underrated, I would say, is Pardesi sir. Pardesi sir is one character that I would say, the amount of I would say self-confidence that I have got by just looking at that personality of Pardesi sir. I would say I think he is one of the people that I've actually absorbed a lot of sort of character traits, personality traits. Chalk and duster story.
Chalk and duster story. There are two stories actually. Chalk and duster. What happened was, Shinde teacher was teaching Marathi in class 10th. So I was one of those naughty guys, So she just called me and she said, okay. And she hit on my head with the duster. So I went back. Then I decided that I have to do something. So I told her, teacher, my head is paining. I need to go to the staff room, take medicine. Basically, I want to bunk the class. So she said, you will not go do that. You will not go and take the medicine. You should go and sit down there. So again, I went back. To teacher. My head is paining, and the class teacher or teacher has told that if anything is wrong, whatever, so you should immediately come and take the first aid and all. So that was one story. Then Shinde teacher really got wild, and then there was this monitor was there. I don't remember. He said, no teacher, the class teacher has told that anything goes like this, you have to go and take the medicine. So then finally she allowed me to go out of the class.
Right.
Okay. And then, I think in the 9th class, we are made teachers. In the 9th or the 10th? I don't remember.
Teachers
on the Teachers' Day.
Teachers' Day, oh yeah, that is there. I think 9th mein hota hai, because 10th mein they are considered too early for boards, right?
We become teachers. Yeah, we become teachers and we go and teach everyone in school and all. And then we had a kind of a gathering in the master's room, And I remember John was there, this Martin. Yeah, he was there, and all of the guys were there. And there were a lot of chalks kept there in that master's room.
Yeah.
So somehow we started throwing chalk at each other. And then it became an open battlefield, Everyone was throwing chalk at each other. So, that is
Teachers' Day पे बच्चों को सिखाना और मास्टर्स रूम में आके चौक फेंकना. Good man, good. So like recess time में what games were you involved with?
I used to run for that table tennis. Okay. That was I used to always try and run and catch a game or something like that.
Yeah.
Or otherwise I used to go to play volleyball. But the aim in short recess is to finish off both the tiffins so that you are absolutely free in long recess.
Right. Yeah. I think वो common goal सबका था.
No, but these are all, these are very important things in the personality development. Like, what you said, by organizing a game, by organizing a game for your house, then standing in elections, giving those speeches, I remember in 9th class when they asked for how many people want to stand for those elections.
Yeah.
I believe more than half the class was standing there. Everyone wanted to fill that form. Everyone wanted to become the leader. हम लीडर बन जाएंगे, कुछ अच्छा होगा हमारा. ठीक है. तो मैं भी खड़ा था उस समय, बट मेरे को फिर मेरे क्रेडेंशियल्स देख के बोला यार, you just sit down यार. that ghanta was there, no? That ghanta.
हाँ, स्कूल ऑफिस के बाहर.
Just opposite Father Few's office, there used to be a ghanta.
Yes.
So on a Saturday, I don't know why I had gone to school. There was some games or some additional activity. Something was there. So I had gone on Saturday. School was not there. So I was so tempted, to go and ring that ghanta, कि I actually went there. And जैसे ही मैंने घंटा बजाया, Father Fuse appeared from behind. He said, "Come here, come here." And I got a good pinch,
The pinch under the arm, the famous pinch.
Yeah, pinch under the arm, and it is there to stay for 6-7 days. You keep remembering him, कि I've done this. Nagi, he was more a disciplined guy, na, in the school.
वो तो यार पूरा studious था यार, पूरा studious. I remember.
Okay, Nagi, what happened was in the class 7, there was this Seema Sachdeva teacher was there. She was wife of an army officer. So she used to come and teach in 7th. So Tarun Vasan, Deepak Vani, Bodke and self, we used to throw chalk from under the table, and the teacher used to get furious from where these chalks are landing and all that. 7th class, and she was not aware what's going on. The entire class was quiet. Everyone, there was good unity in the class, and I think Nagi was the monitor at that time. Okay? So Nagi complained about us to the class teacher. Teacher, do you know these? All these 4, they are throwing chalk at Seema teacher and all that nonsense. So and then Seema teacher was informed that they are the culprits. So the punishment given to us was, whenever she will come in the class, Seema teacher, whenever she will come in the class, 4 of us will be kneeling down in our positions. Wherever we are sitting, we'll just kneel down for the entire class. Okay. So I remember Nagi because of that one incident. We tried our best. We tried our best with I think Shinde teacher, with Lone teacher, with Rodriguez teacher also we tried once. We'll switch on the fan when the teacher comes in, and that whatever petlets of paper will fall down. But we were not relegated. So that one thing which we could not achieve.
Matlab, whatever you did didn't go far enough.
In class 10th, yeah. 10th C, it was a gang, I think Shoaib Sheikh was there, a lot of people were there. Utkarsh, Gunjan, they were all I think in the same class, if I'm not wrong.
Right.
वो एक और किस्सा ये था कि गौतम और मैं, we were luckily we were together in 8th, 9th and 10th. All the 3 classes were together. So by 9th, in 8th we were benchmates, in 9th we were benchmates, so in 10th also we were benchmates. So a lot of teachers, they knew कि ये दोनों बहुत मस्ती करते हैं, इनको separate करो. तो Lone teacher and Shinde teacher used to separate us when the class used to start. So I remember Gautam, writing letters वहाँ से कि तू कैसा है, something like that. And that letter will come. Everybody will read that letter. ठीक है? All the people sitting in that row are going to read that letter. It will come. Then I'll write a reply, chit form में ना, कि I am fine, hope you are also fine, something like that. And that letter will again go to Gautam. Everybody is reading it. So it was fun, yeah. जैसे वो क्लास मिला ना 10th का कि that you at 10th C, तो पहले सबसे पहले हम जाके भाग के अपना बेंच पकड़ लिया हमने, खिड़की से थोड़ा सा सही डिस्टेंस पे, ताकि चर्च की एक्टिविटी दिखाई दे, है ना? हाँ, तो because that was tactically sighted, it was, the bench was tactically sighted, second last bench. ठीक है, so you don't have to be on the last bench also, otherwise,
But I think वो चर्च से जो नैनसुख मिलता था ना भाई, I think that in the मतलब वो खिड़की वाली सीट्स were prime property.
Prime property, यार, it was prime property. Oh, son, that was, क्या कहते हैं उसको? It was a motivation. The church में कोई अगर गाड़ी आई है या कोई छोटा मिनी बस आया है, so everyone used to get motivated, and then they used to start looking outside कि कुछ क्या है, मतलब छोटी-छोटी खुशियां यार, यही तो, this is how it was, यार.
So friends, that was the story of our friend Hemant. From the bottom of our hearts, we salute his commitment to our motherland. अगर आपके पास ऐसे ही कोई बैक बेंच वाले किस्से हैं जो आप दोस्तों से शेयर करना चाहते हैं, सो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके हमें बताइए. वीड लव टू रीड ऑल योर कमेंट्स. सो मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते एक नए दोस्त के साथ ऑन दोस्तों से चर्चा. कीप वॉचिंग एंड कीप सब्सक्राइबिंग. थैंक यू.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.